My name is Robert Evans and I'm the proprietor of Pheasant Acre Plants, based in a small village in Llangarn, which is near Cowbridge. The nursery was founded in 2007 and we grow a range of plants from gladiolus, dahlias, tulips and spring flowering bulbs. Growing all these varieties of different plants, there's something different about each of them. I think with the gladiolis, it's the planting in the spring and seeing them break through the surface of the soil a matter of weeks after you've planted. With the dahlias, we start off when we plant the tubers, which are dormant, and then 2 or 3 weeks later, with the heat in the greenhouses, we see small shoots coming to the sides, and then you know it's time that you're going to start taking the cuttings. And that's an enjoyable time because you're taking a part of a plant with no root, and a matter of a few days, few weeks, you've got a new plant that you've produced. We first started exhibiting at the RHS in the London Shades of Autumn show. Over the years, Pheasant Acre has won 10 consecutive Chelsea Gold medals, and that has helped the nursery. We pride the quality of plants that we send out, and also that the displays that we put on at the shows. With all the staff on the nursery, they're all really helpful the days before the show, getting everything ready so that we make sure that we've got everything at the show that we need. Everybody in gardening has a favourite flower, a favourite plant. One week it's this one's my favourite, next week it's another one. But I think over the last number of years, the variety Clearview Debbie has been one of my favourites. The shape of the bloom, the shape of the petal and the colouring in it gives it something that stands out from the rest for me. With the gladiolis, it's a different scenario. We have so many different colours in them. You have the reds, the pinks, the creams, the greens. But the variety that I like most, I think, is Prince of Orange. The bright, vibrant orange with a darker throat in it. Wherever you are in the garden, whenever it's in flower, you can see it. It's one of the most weatherproof gladiolis that we grow. So Prince of Orange, bright, vibrant orange, sets any garden alight. Quite a few years ago, we had a dahlia that we'd been given. Like anything else that had been put in the greenhouse and hadn't been planted for some reason. Anyway, a couple of weeks later, looking for this dahlia tuber, couldn't find it anywhere. The next thing, I was looking around and I knew it was in the greenhouse somewhere. Looked on the greenhouse floor, there was a few tubers being stored underneath the staging. And when I looked down, the dog was there chewing one with the end of a stick coming out of his mouth. And I looked at it and I thought, that looks a little bit familiar. What has he got in his mouth? When I went to grab it, it was the tuber that I'd actually been looking for. So the dog had found the tuber, we planted it, and now we grow it in profusion. We're still looking for the name for it. A couple of years' time, it may be named.